How was it?
It was gorgeous. I learned a lot about Malaysian traditional clothing.
Fashion berubah, tapi branding still the same.
Hey, I found this cookbook. Let's check it out.
Look at the vibrant and colorful cotton baju room. I bet it's comfortable. The guy's baju Melayu has one button and it's called the Teluk Belanga.
This features your typical batik-inspired fashion with casual shirt for men.
This style is more Ayu and Uncle, dainty and exquisite. However, the baju Melayu with high buttons is called Celak Busak.
The evergreen tights of Dubai Nyonya is so flattering. Did you notice the stuffing can be worn under or over the baju Melayu? It can also be draped across your shoulder for a casual look.
Everything looks so gorgeous. Do you know what this year's trend is?
Yes, I do. It's actually strawberry matcha inspired by the popular beverage pairing. A mix of pastel matcha green and strawberry pink, plus a shawl.
Wow, that looks fantastic. Now I'm craving for strawberry matcha.
Very boring in here. Can play some music going on.
Let's play pop songs. We have Taylor Swift, Bruno Mars.
Huh? Don't want. Let's do some Raya songs. That only can fit in the vibe.
Hold on guys. I have a perfect song called Pejam, Celik, Raya by the singer Saanvi, accompanied by Haniya and Meha dancing alongside.
Sure. Great idea. That sounds perfect.
Why don't you stream it in the car, Brandon?
Sure. Okay, I will.